वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे छात्रों एवं उनके अभिभावकों। आज 2 अक्टूबर राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी इनकी जयंती का दिवस। इस पावन अवसर पर आज हमारे पोद्दार अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विद्यालय के छात्रों के द्वारा आयोजित एक छोटा सा कार्यक्रम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत स्वागत भाषण से होगी। तो स्वागत भाषण के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा कुमारी श्रुति पाटिल।
It's truly incredible how a barrister who was so nervous to give a speech in the Court of London went on to lead the Indian national movement. Yes, you are getting me right. I'm speaking about Mahatma Gandhi ji, father of our nation. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to everyone. I, Ms. Shruti Patil from grade 9B from Poda International School, Belgavi, wishing you all Happy Gandhi Jayanti and welcome you all. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is always remembered for his unforgettable struggle and contribution to our freedom. He worked tirelessly to remove the system of untouchability which was very prevalent back then. Gandhiji stated few of the dangers to human virtue. Those were wealth without work, knowledge without character, politics without principle, and religion without sacrifice. The values that we, the youth, can take from Gandhiji are: be a role model. Yes, Gandhiji is one of the famous quote. Be the change that you wish to see in others. Tells us that we must live our life by an example. Say no rather than a dishonest yes. Non-violence. Gandhiji always followed the path of non-violence and achieved all that he wanted in his life through following the path of peace. I agree, sometimes things around us won't go according to our plans, which will in turn make us depressed. But if you keep calm and follow the path of peace rather than violence, it can be a better key to your success. So let's not lose faith in humanity, because humanity is an ocean. If few drops of ocean become dirty, then remember the whole ocean doesn't become dirty. So let the spirit of truth and non-violence be with us in this Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद श्रुति। अब गांधी जी के संदेश को बताने आ रहे हैं हमारे पहली एवं दूसरी कक्षा के छात्र गांधी जी के पहनावे में।
Hello everyone. On the day of Gandhi Jayanti, I am speaking about Bapu. Bapu born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. By profession, he was a lawyer, activist. He also called as father of the nation. He always loved peace and speak truth. He led the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule. He died on 1948. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amit Tiwari of First B. Today I am going to share few slogans of Gandhiji. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, what you do are in harmony. Where there is love, there is life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
बहुत ही सुंदर प्रस्तुति दी है बच्चों ने। बच्चों बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अब देखते हैं गांधी जी के वचनों को कक्षा 3री एवं 4थी के छात्रों ने अपने अक्षरों में लिखकर प्रस्तुत किया है। धन्यवाद बच्चों। अब आपका ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहता हूँ। विद्यालय की 5वीं एवं 6ठी कक्षा की छात्राएं अपनी चित्रकारी का अंदाज आपके सामने पेश करने जा रही है।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
बहुत ही बढ़िया छात्रों, आपकी यह जो कला है वह बहुत ही सराहनीय है। अब आपके सामने कक्षा 10वीं के छात्र जागरूकता अर्थात अवेयरनेस के बारे में कुछ बातें आपसे साझा करना चाहते हैं। तो प्रस्तुत है अवेयरनेस अर्थात जागरूकता भाषण।
Art provides enough to every man's needs, but not for every man's greed. I am Supriya Patil from class 10. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated across India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. This outbreak of novel coronavirus has created an unprecedented situation all around the world. In 1896, when Gandhiji visited Bombay, there was an outbreak of plague. He offered his services to the nation, and even he exhorted people to pay attention to cleanliness. Let us imbibe all his lessons in our daily life and take a good steps towards the cleanliness. Respect for the nature may be a next lesson intended for us. Homo sapiens are the organisms that has overpowered all other organisms and taken control of the entire earth and even set the foot on the moon. Now it stands humbled by a microorganism. Let us remind ourselves that our ancestors saw nature as a mother and asked us to respect it. But at some point in the history, we forgot the ancient wisdom. When pandemics and the abnormal weather phenomenon are becoming a norm, it is time to pause and wonder how we lost the way and how can we still make a comeback. Equality is a less apparent, but nature tells us that we all are equal. This new virus strikes beyond the man-made distinctions of race, region, religion. We have one identity, that we are human beings. Let's not forget the term humanity during this pandemic and help those who are in need. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Adarsh. As we all know that today is 2nd October, that is Mahatma Gandhi's Jayanti. This day is a very precious day. but we all are not together to celebrate it. This all is happening because of the global pandemic called coronavirus. It is a transmittable disease which can spread from a person to person or through air. That is, whenever a corona affected patient or a person sneezes or coughs in air, it will spread to another person or many people, which is effective to the society and the country. So, to prevent it and bring our world back to its normal stage, we need to follow some of the measures. 1. We should not go outside unnecessarily. In case we are going, we should wear a mask compulsorily. 2. We should improve our immunity power. 3. We should rub our hands with alcohol-based hand sanitizers whenever we are outside. 4. We should maintain a safe distance from everyone. At last, I want to say that Gandhiji had dreamed to make India a clean and a beautiful country, and I hope that we all will work together to make it. Thank you. Stay safe and be happy.
बहुत ही बढ़िया छात्रों, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने हमें अवेयरनेस अर्थात जागरूकता के बारे में सबको जानकारी दी है। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अब हम कार्यक्रम की समाप्ति की ओर जाते हुए मैं बुलाना चाहता हूं हमारे विद्यालय के वरिष्ठ अध्यापक श्री के.एल. नागराल सर। वे आए और आभार व्यक्त करें।
Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits, your habits become your values become your destiny. Very good and graceful morning to our most valued parents, students, respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. On behalf of Poddar International School, Belgavi, I, K.L. Nagral, feeling honored to propose the vote of thanks for making Gandhi Jayanti celebration a grand success. Parents play a vital role in school education. Dear parents, your support and unconditional love is the backbone of our school. Thank you for everything that you have done and still doing with us. Next, I would like to thank our beloved principal sir, Mr. Raj Hulmani sir, for always being a perennial source of inspiration. Thank you very much, sir. A warm thanks goes to our respected Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Ishwar Patil, who always guide and motivate us to be positive in all aspects of life. Thank you, sir. Heartfelt thanks to our technical expert, Mr. Sandeep Patil, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to each and everyone for your wonderful cooperation and support in making this event a memorable day for us. Thank you, everyone.